All right, shooting the John Deere 68 horsepower 5400. We haven't started it since early this morning. Power steering, all right, good. Maybe do a 3-point and back, just lower it. Okay, there you go. Okay. Then I'll show the foot pedals. Don't take your foot off the pedal. Are you out of gear? All right, done. I think he's going to take it down in road gear now. All right, shooting the Bush Hog in the 5200. We don't have it adjusted all the way up, so you won't see it raise all the way up in the air, but okay, go ahead and start it. Maybe engage the Bush Hog. Okay, that's all right, thanks.